Hey, what's up guys? On this one we actually want to actually be able to know what is pancakeswap, because pancakeswap has a lot of advantages which you can actually be able to get when you are able to understand what is pancakeswap. So when you are on Trust Wallets, okay, let's actually start on to here. The things that you need to have, the apps that you need to have when you're using your phone, in order for you to be able to use pancakeswap, you need a Trust wallet, and you probably will need a Binance wallet. So all those links are on this description on this video, so you can be able to actually download those apps and be able to sign up so that you can actually be able to use pancakeswap. So pancakeswap is just it's a centralized wallet where you can actually just be able to hold your own keys, like a decentralized a wallet, which is a Binance, which you don't actually have your own keys, so they can actually shut down their exchange at any time they want. But with pancakeswap and Trust Wallet, those ones are actually the ones that you can actually be able to locate them whatever you want. So because you actually just have your own private keys, just so that you can actually just put in and be able to recover your wallet. So in order for you to have this, you need to have your Binance and have your Trust wallet. So those are the two that actually you will have to have in order for you to be able to use the pancakeswap app. So so when you get onto Trust wallet, this is what you actually going to have to do. You come straight down onto these steps right down here. So once you get there, you're just gonna click it, and you're just going to see these are the history I've been using. So but you can actually go down here and actually find the popular ones, which is pancakeswap, Uniswap, and Baidu. But what we're going to use now is pancakeswap. So once you actually get onto pancakeswap, it's going to click into it, and then it's going to show like this, as you can actually see right down here. So this here on top, you have to connect it with your wallet right down here on top, which is actually down there, so you can actually log out, so or you can actually log in. So I'm going to log out on it so that you can actually see how I'm able to connect it. So you're actually going to come up here. So these are all the wallets which you can actually be able to connect. You can use a MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Math Wallet, and Token Pocket. So all of those wallet connect, and all those Binance Chain wallets. So those are the wallets you can actually use in order for you to connect onto pancakeswap. So what I'm going to use Trust Wallet. So going to connect it. So now it's connected, and then the other thing you will have to need, you will need a Binance coin, so which we're going to go on and actually show you how you can actually be able to do that. So we're gonna go on to Binance. So this is Binance right here. So in Binance, you have to be able to buy your Binance coin, which is called BNB, and then be able to exchange it into a Binance Smart Chain. So in order for you to actually understand all of those, if this video actually get into at least 500 likes, I'll be able to go on and actually do that video for you, so that you can be able to exchange your Binance coin into a smart chain, so that you can actually be able to use that in order for you to exchange into any coin. And so this is a BNB, so you actually be able to buy it, and then you can be able to send it into the other side onto that. But then this is not what I came here for, because I just wanted you guys to be able to know how you can actually use pancakeswap in order for you to buy those new coins that are actually coming in onto pancakeswap, guys. So actually this is how you'll be able to exchange a coin. So you're actually going to come down here, and then these are all the new coins that have been listed on pancakeswap, so that you can actually be able to have these coins before they get listed into big exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, so that you can actually get those juices, guys, when it's actually going up into the moon, guys, so that you can actually get those gains. So this is where you actually come and buy some new coins, guys. So this is what I've been wanting to show you. This is what is pancakeswap, and then I'm actually going to show you guys how you can actually be able to farm here on pancakeswap. So if this video actually gets into at least 1,000, as I said, if it gets to about 500 likes, I'm going to show you guys how to actually buy a Binance and then convert it into smart chain, so that you can actually show you guys that. And then if it gets to 1,000, and then I'll be able to actually go and show you guys how you can actually buy some new coins using this pancakeswap, so that you can actually trade them before they actually get listed onto Binance. And then I can actually show you how you can actually know when they're about to be actually listed on Binance, and all of that is going to come on this video, guys, if this actually hits at least 1,000 likes, so that I can actually show you guys what is exactly going on, so that you can make those profit on this one, guys. So this is going to be a ciao for now, and thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of this content, and I will see you on the next one, guys. This is a ciao.